Hi everybody, I am here at the Tar Kiln Swamp. We have a boardwalk here, which I'm really excited to take you on. I've got my net so we can look at some of the stuff in the water. I have my binoculars so we can look at some birds. So this is one of my favorite places on the property. I think it's very unique, and let's go. Alright, we are about to enter the swamp. So I want you to look at the vegetation where this pathway is and compare it to what you see in the close distance here, and you see a very vast difference in the vegetation types, which we will see very distinctly once we get on the boardwalk. And here we are, the beautiful oasis that is Tar Kiln Swamp. It is mainly tupelo and cypress trees. We got tupelo on the left here, cypress on the right. This difference between tupelo and cypress have to do with the bark as well as the leaves. So this darker one right here and right here, these two are both cypress. And if you see, they almost look like pine tree leaves or needles, but they're not. They're just kind of small like that compared to the tupelo, which have kind of a grayer bark and leaves that are larger. It's so beautiful. You have the reflections of the water, the very large trees. Sun is shining on these trees very nicely. All the noises of the birds. Just a wondrous place. A pileated woodpecker just came up and flew up in that tree. Come back around so we can see you. His red head peeking out just a little bit. These guys are huge woodpeckers. There he goes. We see here a leaf collector by one of the researchers, and also a banding that's on this tree. And as you see, there's this coil on it. So as the tree grows, the banding expands, and the researchers make marks on the band so then they can track the growth of the tree. So these are things that are set up by Clemson and are checked regularly. These trees have to be incredibly old, and a lot of the southeast, and particularly in South Carolina, used to have swamps like this, but a lot of them are dredged for various reasons, including rice production, and so we really don't see this kind of area very much anymore, so it's very special.